At Browns, I'm the supply chain director. I take care of transportation, distribution center activities, as well as all of the e-commerce. Browns is a family-owned business. Last year, we just celebrated our 75th anniversary. We operate under the B2 and Browns banners. Overall, we have just over 1,200 employees. I think that every Browns employee is very proud to work for a company that delayed 10% of its pre-tax profit year after year. In 2014, we were at the point where we had 3 warehouses. All 3 of them were at full capacity. So as a company, we decided to invest in a new facility. One of the things we looked at was a state-of-the-art automation system from the company Knapp, but we need to find the right partner for the WMS. One of the important things, we need to find a solution that was flexible enough to integrate easily with the Knapp system. Secondly, we need to make sure that the core business processes were strong enough to make us one of the top on the market. We had very specific requirements, and what we realized very quickly is that the solution was very scalable, and we were able to meet all of the requirements on our side and even more from the already implemented functionalities. When we met with SoloChain, we felt right away that their waiving and prioritization system was a fit for us, so that we will be able at a point in time to waive by prioritization and make sure that we get the goods on time, meeting our carrier and meeting our store demand. One of the things I like about SoloChain is that we're able to have key performance metrics on every single processes. And by looking into those data, we're able to find hourly, daily, monthly, weekly performance month after month, so that as an overall business, we improve ourselves. We were able to achieve very quickly, in less than 6 months, 99 and above inventory accuracy. In that regard, just 6 months after go live, our auditors came on site and they approved the cycle count process, which was a big achievement on our side. And at the end of the day, this results in better inventory, better productivity, and we just have a better result as an overall.